So welcome back. Today we're gonna be opening two new slimes I just got today. So first we have Ducky Splash. First, let's open the slime, then I'll add all the ingredients. It's a very pretty clear slime. It could be better. It's not very stretchy. Let's add all the ingredients to make it the best slime ever. Let's add the stars. These little pieces of glitter. And now the three ducks. The dad duck, one of the babies, and the other babies. So that is the complete slime. Let's put it back in. The ducks are full. I'm back and I got the ducks. Oh yeah, I forgot one of the ingredients. There's this white little glitter-like stuff. Let's put that in. Let's open our next slime, which will be Sweet Moo. We got these little strawberries, a cow, and these two baby bottles. Let's open the actual slime now. So let's take the divider out. Oh. The pink is not going as easy as the white was. And now let's mix them and see what color we get. these ones aren't that stretchy either, so it's a little hard to mix them. But I think we'll be able to. It's a really pretty slime. It's turning a little more light pink in some spots, and in some spots it just looks like kind of like stripes of pink and white. Let's add all our little details to it. First we have the little strawberries. And this one's gonna be much less messy than the last one. The last one made a big mess that we're gonna have to clean up. Now let's add the cow. And let's add the 2 baby bottles. And overall, it turned out as a pretty nice slime. So that's gonna be it for today. So bye.